Hello all, welcome to KLART Technologies and welcome to AI for Everyone series of videos. And this is day 6 video and this is the last video for this series to give you some awareness of AI and to give you some insights inside AI related roles and all. So here I just took help of AI tool again and I just curated some 90-day action plan. This may not be suitable for everyone, but to give you some idea how you can plan your role, this video will help you based on your role and based on your experience, based on the actual AI role you are targeting in future. It will differ, but in this way you can just plan from your end. Okay, do your own plan and stick to that plan, learn daily everything. That will help you to grow actually. So before we enter into that plan, these are all the common or core AI tools that everyone should learn. I think most of us are using ChatGPT daily, but you may not be aware of all the effective features of ChatGPT. So I will create a separate video for ChatGPT course. So there are a lot of things to learn about ChatGPT itself. Okay. We are just actually using ChatGPT like a conversational assistant or something, but you have a lot of features in ChatGPT that I will cover in a separate video. So likewise, these are all the core tools: KLART, the Gemini, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, Notebook LLM, Canva AI, Grammarly. These are all very effective tools and core tools that everyone should learn. So I will create separate videos for all these tools as a separate masterclasses videos, okay, because this will be helpful for everyone and everyone should aware of these capabilities of these particular tools. Later on you need to learn your role specific tools. Okay, these 8 tools everyone should learn how to use it and all. Then you can add 3 to 5 role specific tools which we have captured in our previous videos, or maybe you can explore by your own based on your role what are the different tools specific to your role you need to learn. Okay, in that way you can explore and you can learn at least 3 to 5 role specific tools along with these common core AI tools that will help you to understand how to use AI tools perfectly. Okay, along with the skills. So you need to have your own skills specific to your role. You need to have some domain knowledge. Along with that, you need to have these tools knowledge also, right? So that is one thing. And there are a lot of paid tools and free tools also available. While I am explaining these particular tools, then I will explain you the pricing model also, or you can also explore by your own. At this moment, what is the price and all, because it will change, keep on changing, right? So you can just first explore with all the free tools. First, what is my suggestion? Is like for text and content, ChatGPT anyways we are using Gemini and all, and image generation, Canva you can use for Canva AI magic is also there, I think. Then you can use inside Canva we have AI feature. By that you can with help of that particular feature you can explore how to generate the images and all. And we have Midjourney or other tools also there, but few are paid ones. So first explore free tools, don't spend any money. First explore free tools few days at least, then based on your requirement and based on your role specific, then you can pay to 1 or 2 tools, then learn them. Okay, right? So these are all the different categories and these are all the free tools available currently for this particular category. And we have paid tools names. I mean, for ChatGPT free, ChatGPT Plus is the paid one. So currently I have this paid version to generate all these courses and all, the thumbnails and all. I'm using ChatGPT and Canva. So Canva is also free initially. If you want, you can take paid version also. That is also very less amount actually. I mean, it's 500 rupees per month, I think, if I'm not wrong. So yeah. So first explore with free tools. Don't waste money. Then you need to take at least 2 to 3 tools as a paid version at least for 1 month for practice purpose. Then you can unsubscribe to that paid method also. You don't need to spend amount every month. Okay, because for your learning purpose at least you need to spend couple of things, right? If you want to get high salary you need to spend at least little amount to learn. So that is where, so that's why my suggestion is to first explore free tools. Okay, then take 1 or 2 paid tools, do by doing proper research and all specific to your roles. Then it will help you to understand or explore more. Then you will be in good shape, right? 90-day career roadmap, technologies and skills. So I have captured something like this. So phase 1 will be day 1 to 30. That first 30 days learn these things. I mean, explore these tools. And in the second phase, 31 to 60, you can just explore your 5 to 7 role specific tools: prompt engineering, context engineering, system prompts, and core skills which I have told you, right? Those skills also you need to learn. Okay. And phase 3, I mean, this is for tools, programming, data, and professional deliverables. So all these things is a combination. So first 30 days, this is your set column. Okay. Second column, then you explore these things. Third column is last 30 days, explore these things. If there is any free certifications or vouchers available, then you can target certification later by end of 90 days, or once you learn everything, then start exploring the certifications. Otherwise, certification is not required, and because if you have certification, that doesn't mean that you will be expert in that particular thing, right? So first learn, practice, okay, and do proper research, practice, learn everything, do hands on, then obviously you will perform very well in the interview, even though you don't have certification also. Once you are done good in interview, once you got the job, then you will do the certification with help of your organization. They will provide free vouchers and all. Then you can write the certification. First explore, learn, practice, enhance your skills actually. So you need to upskill every day. That will be really helpful. Certifications itself will not help you. Okay. So that's why just column wise focus on these things. I'll share this PPT also. And then technology and skills learning path, like AI fundamentals. If you want to learn, you need to learn these skills like prompt engineering, RAG basics and all, and deep learning. Okay, this is the combination. For programming, you need to have Python. This is must have skill, and SQL also you need to know, because vector databases and all is there, right? So you need to understand how to communicate with databases and all, and the basic JavaScript and the APIs and JSON or XML structure. This is little helpful. And then these are all the free resources maybe you can make use of. Okay, so we have Google AI Essentials and Microsoft AI Skills official products also. They are providing some training, but it's a very technical training. If you want to explore, you can explore that official websites and all. Otherwise, in our channel also, we will be planning to conduct different courses and different workshops. So that is why we are planning like this time completely hands-on workshops, so that everyone will have their hands-on experience, and they will practice later also after the workshop. So that will be really helpful if you have all the real-time hands-on workshops. So for cloud platforms, explore these things. Data analytics related, explore these. Okay, automation tools and no code tools to build AI agents and all, like make.com and NITN. So these are the different things you need to explore. So finally, 90-day AI learning roadmap, what I suggest is, but yeah, as I said, like you need to customize this plan as per your role and as per your aspiration. And this is just a suggestible way to plan in from basics to advanced. So explore ChatGPT, Gemini, KLART, Copilot, these things, and role-based AI tools and tools mastery. Build different projects. Projects means like it's not like real-time projects. By all this use of this learning, these tools and all, you may explore a couple of your own projects you can learn, or you can practice, and you can build a couple of small projects, right? And then you can just add these projects also in your profile. It's a self-learning kind of projects, right? Yeah, there is no harm to add this. It's like kind, you can mention like internal projects or something, but in resume you can add your skills, and you can add your projects also, right? And then we have a lot of things to earn money out of this AI. Okay, so that also you can explore. Then these are all the couple of project scenarios or different use cases you can explore. Okay, so just to take help of this, and you can explore once you learn all these tools and technologies. So these are all the more projects or for non-IT and creator roles actually. So these projects are for some IT and all. Maybe this actually you can explore for non-IT or creator roles. So these are all the couple of scenarios you can explore, and you can practice just for practice purpose. Okay, so we have a lot of things like by help of this AI, once you learn these tools and all, you can earn money in different ways. Actually, you can do AI freelancing, and you can build a couple of digital products, and you can sell them and earn, and you can conduct different workshops, and you can do like kind of AI consulting. Okay, you can create your own YouTube channel, and based on your AI skills you can, so based on your particular skills you can take help of AI, speed things up for you, like to create the thumbnails and to create SEO description and to create images and all specific to your particular content. Okay, you can take help of these AI tools, and you can, your YouTube channel also will grow a little fast. Then you can actually check for affiliate marketing kind of things. So these are the different ways that you can explore and you can earn money. Okay, and realistic income expectations is something like this, but this is also, it depends on person to person, it depends on work to work. Okay, so don't rely on these numbers blindly, but this is just to give you some basic understanding. Okay, right. So by end of this series I think you understand what is AI, what are the different terminologies and how you can learn AI, what are the different roles, what is your specific role, what are the skills specific to your role that you need to focus on, you need to learn and you need to explore. So I think you like this series of videos. So by end of this series we expect you should not say just like I know AI tools. You should be able to say I understand which AI role suits to me, and I know what skills I need to learn. I know exactly what tools I should master, or I can show real projects in portfolio, and I have a clear 90-day roadmap or plan to get started. So this is what we expected from you by end of this series, and this is why we have created this series also, to give you some clarity. I hope this AI for everyone course or this particular 6 video series is helpful for you. At least you learn a couple of new things from our 6 videos. So if you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel. Share these videos to your friends who are having some confusion related to AI and all. So this will give you some clarity at least. So I think this video series is helpful to you. So that's it for this video. I think you like this video series, and I hope you learned something from these 6 videos. And our next plan is to create role-based workshops and detailed courses for each and every tool which are specific to role and which are common. And then in future, in coming soon, you will be getting like hands-on workshops, practical demos, real-time scenarios and all. So don't miss anything. So subscribe to our channel, KLART Technologies in YouTube, and also you can join our WhatsApp group. I will be sharing the link also in the description. You will subscribe to our WhatsApp channel also to get more updates, but basically we will share all the updates in YouTube posts and also subscribe to our channel. So I hope these particular workshops and detailed courses also helpful to you in your real life and in your career, right? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share this to others and like our videos. If you have any doubts, you can just ask in the comment section. Thank you.